Welcome to NTFS Permissions Auditor. First, we'll create a new audit profile. Add shares to our profile, and in the options, choose to retrieve all group members from Active Directory, including nested groups. Save the profile, and we're ready to start the audit. Here's a closer look at the audit results. View all folders found within the audited shares. Clicking on a folder name reveals its permissions and details. For more insight, click on Permissions to see further details, including group members if the item is a group. Switch to the account view for a different perspective, displaying all accounts. Expand any account to see the folders they have permissions to, for a complete view of access rights. Next, we'll create a filter to identify folders a specific user can access. After saving, apply this filter to current or future audits for more focused results. After applying the filter, folders accessible to the user are immediately highlighted. This process also examines group memberships, revealing that the user belongs to the finance group, offering deeper insights into user access. Request your trial to access all features and effortlessly dive into the details of NTFS permissions.